So I'll take you to see what the Luffa arch looks like at this point. And look, it's now calm and the W word has subsided. So anyway, here is what the Luffa arch looks like right now. It has done absolutely incredible things this year. Has grown exponentially compared to the last 2 years that I've tried to grow it. I am so super stoked. Look at that one. That one, and literally I almost can't get in from this end. It has, well, really, I shouldn't even try, but I need way more arches put up. Okay, so I've gone underneath. So we have that one there. There's one up there growing. There's that one I showed you from the outside. This one literally came from right here. I have that big boy over there growing, and you can see that little one starting right there. There is one up here, and there's multiple on the other side of this. I'm going to take you around to show you the other side there. Hang on, I got to go through the jungle here, and my feet are going to get stickers. Ooh, there's another one there. Oh, and one just on the other side of it. All right, I see you guys. Awesome job. Check it out. Look, it is growing up into my hibiscus. We've had to retrain it to go in the opposite direction. I can't tell you how many multiple times. Look, there's a baby one growing right there. Awesome. Awesome sauce. And it is growing up the batting cage and into the batting cage net. It's everywhere. All right, so let's go around here. It's growing all over the ground. I can't even get to my calendula here. There's another one growing. Yeah, holy wazoli. Let's see, there's another one there. There's another one there. They are everywhere. I'm so thrilled and tickled. This year has been amazing. Again, the only thing that I used, hang on, I know there's another one here somewhere, right here. There's another one growing, little baby. So hopefully we have enough time in the season to let these continue, and we won't have to pull too many off the vine that aren't ripe. Well, I'm sorry, that aren't dried out and ready to be harvested. And I mean, I can still harvest them. It's just I will have to let them dry out. So anyway, so there is the update on the Luffa arch. All right, so it was easy for me to stick my hand in. I'm hoping I can just kind of unzip it a little bit and get my fingers in there. There we go. Oh, look, it actually did. I thought for sure we were going to find it really mushy, but check that out. So I have got my first Luffa of the year that has dried on the vine. How about that? It's only about, maybe if I had to guess, maybe 8 inches long. And usually that's at the point where if it grows any further than that, you can't eat it. And so I'm pretty stoked about this. That's awesome. So my first Luffa of the year. Woohoo! All right, until next time, thanks for stopping by. And if you aren't already, please subscribe. I'd love to have new followers. I really am passionate about my little hobby farm I have here, and would love you to come back. All right, we'll see you next time.